Hi guys, my name is Alyssa Whalen and this is my nonprofit website. So I decided to do an animal shelter website called Endless Possibilities. A little play on words there, and let me show you it. So this is my heading with a bunch of dogs lined up. I really liked the solid background. I didn't love the pink, but I didn't want to edit it for copyright reasons. So if you scroll down, we kind of give the description of what the animal shelter is and what we're doing. And then there are 3 buttons to donate, adopt, or volunteer. And this will just take you to different places on the page. Then we talk about what the donations do, how they're used for animals, vet visits, checkups, vaccines, spay and neuter, that sort of thing. And then there is this slideshow of adoptable dogs. And then if you come down here, our call to action is to volunteer. And so if you need community hours or an internship, that's kind of where it is. So the design aspects, I really wanted to keep it simple. I wanted it to be clean and have really clean fonts. So I used this clean sans serif font because it just kind of was easy to read, but I liked the design. And then going through, we used another sans serif. So then the buttons I didn't really get to design. I worked a lot with the tutor to work on these buttons, and they were just giving us so much trouble. This one was originally right up here, but when I put in the code that we originally did, it for some reason dropped down and I could not get it to move. So that was probably one of the most difficult and frustrating things. The tutor was struggling with it as well, so it just is what it is. We couldn't really do much about it. The pictures, I wanted to show dogs, I wanted to show some of our volunteers, and I wanted to create that emotional connection with the person who is looking at my website so that they want to donate or they want to volunteer. The design aspects, I decided to keep it a picture to a description so that they could look at an animal while they're reading about it. Again, create that emotional connection. It is a little blocky. I wish that I could have done more to create it and help it flow more. But I like that it's simple, clean, bright, and really focuses on the animals. What I learned the most is probably there's always a workaround. Even if things are really hard to figure out, once you can get in there and really figure out the code, like it's possible, and you can make things amazing and beautiful and work exactly how you imagined it in your head. It just takes a little bit of work and finagling and workaround sometimes. So that's my website.